Hello students. Today we are going to study here some laboratory tests for carboxylic group, then chemical tests or chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. First of all, we will see here laboratory tests for carboxyl group. First is litmus test. When aqueous solution of carboxylic acid or RCOH, it is general form of carboxylic, it is aqueous solution of carboxylic acid. Always containing COH, it contains COH group, turns blue litmus paper red, that indicates the presence of acidic functional group. When suppose carboxylic acid solution is aqueous solution of carboxylic acid is taken in a beaker and blue litmus paper is dipped into that solution, that blue litmus paper turns red coloration, that gives red coloration or turns into red color, and that indicates the presence of COOH group in that particular organic compound. It is a laboratory test, litmus test. Exact when acids they have a property, they turns blue litmus paper red, and all bases they have property, they turns red litmus into blue litmus paper. That is, it is a simple test, litmus test. Carboxylic acid turns blue litmus paper red. Here now another test is, second one is sodium bicarbonate test. Sodium bicarbonate means NaHCO3. We can say also sodium hydrogen carbonate, or it is also known as baking soda. It is also known as baking soda. When now baking soda, it is a basic in nature. It is basic in nature. These are the few tests for the carboxylic group. Carboxylic group, the nature of this carboxyl group, it is acidic in nature, and acids always reacts with bases, and that reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Now therefore NaCO3, it is a basic compound, therefore acid reacts with this sodium bicarbonate and gives salt of carboxylic acid with the brisk effervescence of CO2. That is important. Effervescence of CO2, that indicates the presence of COH group in that acid. Here reaction takes place like this. When this carboxylic acid, it is general formula of carboxylic acid, is treated with sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, aqueous solution of NaHCO3, it gives, now see here, these are the acidic properties or test for the carboxyl group. Therefore in all these reactions, this hydrogen atom, it is replaced by sodium metal, or this acidic hydrogen takes part in the reaction. Therefore this is replaced by this Na, and we will get here RC double bond ONA. It is a salt of acid. Plus here now this hydrogen atom, these two hydrogen atoms combines with oxygen atom, formation of H2O, and if one oxygen atom is removed from the CO3, then CO2 is remaining. CO2, it is a gas, and it is given out. That effervescence of CO2, when sodium bicarbonate solution is added into the solution of acid, if there is a effervescence of CO2, that indicates the presence of carboxyl group in that particular compound. Therefore carboxylic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate and gives, it is a salt of acid. It is a acid base reaction. It is acid, it is a base, and in that type of the reactions are also known as neutralization reaction, and in neutralization reaction always there is a formation of salt takes place. Formation of salt, here it is a salt of acid with the presence of CO2. Now here again we can regenerate this carboxylic acid, or we can convert this salt of acid into carboxylic acid by doing the reaction of this carboxylic acid with acid. Now here base, now we have to do the reaction of that sodium salt of carboxylic acid with acid like HCl. Again we will get here this Na combines with this Cl, and the place of this, or this sodium atom, it is replaced by this H, and it gives RC double bond OH plus NaCl. It is carboxylic acid. Again it can be regenerated, or precipitate of carboxylic acid is obtained if it's when carboxylic acid is treated with sodium bicarbonate, then it gives salt of acid with the presence of brisk effervescence of CO2, and then acid can be regenerated by the action of concentrated HCl. हे ऍसिड पुन्हा रिजनरेट होऊ शकतं जर पुन्हा या सॉल्टला ऍसिड सोबत रिएक्शन केली. बेससोबत रिएक्शन केल्यानंतर सॉल्ट झाला, पुन्हा सॉल्टची रिएक्शन ऍसिड सोबत करा, कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड रिजनरेट होईल, अँड इट गिव्स द प्रिसिपिटेट ऑफ carboxylic acid. Now phenols are also acidic in nature, but phenol does not evolve CO2 gas with NaHCO3. फिनॉलची रिएक्शन NaHCO3 जर केली तर इथं CO2 रिव्हॉल्व होत नाही, कारण त्याचा हा COH ग्रुपमधला हा कार्बन CO2 मध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो. तिथं हा OH ग्रुपचं इथे सोडियम फिनॉक्साईड तयार होतं, पण इथं कार्बनच नाही, इथं OH ग्रुपच आहे फक्त. बट इट इज ॲसिडिक इन नेचर. Phenols are also acidic in nature. Therefore they react with NaHCO3 and they give sodium phenoxide, but there is no brisk effervescence of CO2. Therefore this test is used to distinguish between carboxylic acids and phenols. Both are weak acids. Phenol as well as carboxylic acids, acetic acid or formic acid, acetic acid, formic acid are the weak acids. Here phenol does not evolve CO2 gas with NaHCO3. Hence carboxylic acid and phenol are distinguished by this test. How will you distinguish between alcohols and phenol, between carboxylic acids and phenols? असा जर क्वेश्चन विचारला गेला, then you have to write this reaction. Now another test that is to be given only by the carboxylic acid group. Here ester test, or for reaction with alcohol. When carboxylic acid is heated with ethanol in the presence of concentrated H2SO, it is a dehydrating agent, then ester is obtained. In this hot solution, if this hot solution is poured into a beaker containing water, then fruity smell of ester confirms the presence of carboxylic acid. Now here, when first of all we will see the reaction here. When this carboxylic acid is heated with ethanol C2H5OH, or we can take here any alcohol C2H5OH or ROH, then in the presence of concentrated H2SO, or we can write like this H plus also, heat, then here now H from this OH group and OH from this COH, it combines and formation of water molecule takes place, and we will get here the structure like this C double bond O. Now this carbon atom is attached to this oxygen atom OC2H5 plus H2O. It is a general formula of ester, and all esters they have fruity smell. Therefore if we have taken acid, it is to be treated with alcohol, it is ethanol or alcohol, it is carboxylic acid, and it is treated or heated with ethanol, carboxylic acid is heated with ethanol, then ester is obtained. And if this solution is poured into a beaker containing water, आणि हे जे रिएक्शन्स हे जे कंटेंट्स आहेत सगळे, याला जर आपण वॉटरमध्ये जर पोर केलं, कंटेनिंग वॉटर, पोर्ड इन टू अ बीकर कंटेनिंग वॉटर, देन फ्रुटी स्मेल ॲपियर्स, आणि त्याचा स्मेल हा फ्रुटी असेल. and that fruity smell confirms the presence of carboxylic acid. फ्रुटी स्मेल जर आला तर समजायचं की तो कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिड होता, कारण कार्बोक्झिलिक ॲसिडची रिॲक्शन होऊन अल्कोहोलसोबत रिॲक्शन होते आणि तो एस्टरमध्ये कन्वर्ट होतो, आणि एस्टर्स दे हॅव फ्रुटी स्मेल. Therefore this hot mixture, we have to add this hot mixture into water मध्ये pour this into water, beaker containing water. Then fruity smell of ester confirms the presence of carboxylic acid. Here I have taken here one more example here. Instead of this RCOH, we can take here CH3 C double bond OH plus C2H5OH. This H C2H5OH, this H and this OH combines and it gives CH3 C double bond OC2H5 plus H2. It is ester. The name of this ester is ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate. In this way, these three tests are given by the carboxyl group. These are the laboratory tests for. These three are the laboratory tests for carboxyl group. We can carry all these three tests, that is litmus paper test, sodium bicarbonate test and ester test in laboratory also. Therefore these three tests are known as laboratory tests for carboxyl group. Then after that laboratory test, we will see here some reactions. Reaction with PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride and SOCl2 means thionyl chloride. Reaction before this, in the chapter that alcohols, we have already studied that reaction of alcohol with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. Here again same, in that chapter we have taken there ROH, and here this OH group is replaced by Cl in alcohols. Now here again today we are going to take here RC double bond. It is a carboxylic acid. Again here carboxylic acid also contains OH group. Now this OH group it is replaced by Cl. Now when this RCOH carboxylic acid is treated with PCl3, now this molecule of phosphorus trichloride, it contains 3 chlorine atoms. Therefore now this hydroxyl group, OH group, is replaced by 3 chlorine atoms. Therefore we have to balance the reaction like this. We have to take here 3 RCOH molecules plus PCl3, heat. Now these 3 OH groups are replaced by 3 chlorine atoms, and we will get here plus POH3. This phosphorus combines with these 3 OH groups and formation of POH3 takes place, and it is acyl chloride. RCOCl मिळेल आणि अल्कोहोलच्या रिएक्शनमध्ये आपल्याला तिथं RCl मिळालं होतं, अल्किल क्लोराईड मिळालं होतं. हा डिफरन्स आहे. RC डबल बॉन्ड ग्रुप इथं एक्स्ट्रा आहे. इथं RCO, it gives RCOCl means acyl chloride. Now I have taken here general example, general reaction. Instead of this RCOH, we can take here CH3COH, HCOH, CH3CH2COH, and we have to balance the reactions by taking some more examples. Now here acetic acid plus PCl3 gives CH3COCl plus POH3. Then same reaction of that carboxylic acid with PCl5. Now here we have to balance the reaction. Here PCl5 OH group, it is replaced by, the formula of PCl5 is like this: 5 chlorine atoms attached to this chlorine. Now this OH is replaced by this Cl, and it gives RC double bond, again acyl chloride, plus this phosphorus, again here this oxygen atom and 3 chlorine atoms combines and gives POCl3, and that hydrogen and 1 chlorine atom combines and gives HCl. It is again acyl chloride. Here I have taken general example. We can take here CH3COH, HCOH, formic acid, acetic acid as an examples. Then reaction with SOCl2 here. Now RC, again here I will take a general example, RC double bond OH plus SOCl2, heat. Now it gives again here R, this OH group is replaced by the Cl. It gives RC double bond O, R, here RC double bond OH plus SOCl2. Heat, it gives RC double bond OCl, means OH group is replaced by chlorine plus SO2 plus HCl. Again acyl chloride is obtained. मी इथं जनरल एक्झाम्पल लिहिलं आहे, तुम्ही मात्र नोट्समध्ये लिहिताना किमान एक तरी एक्झाम्पल असं लिहा. ॲसिटिक ॲसिड प्लस SOCl2 gives CH3COCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Today we stop here. Thank you.